Hi, I'm Eli Plaskett with Modern Machine Shop and Gardner Business Media. I'm here at the Taipei International Machine Tool Show to discuss digital trends in manufacturing. Digital tool sets like machine monitoring and digital twins are absolutely vital to the modern manufacturing environment, and we're going to see how Taiwanese manufacturers are keeping pace with the digital manufacturing revolution. First up, we're going to talk to FFG. Are you Andy?
Yes.
Yes.
Nice
Good to meet you, Andy.
Good morning.
This is Sales Director Andy Hung with FFG. Could you please introduce your company?
Thank you, Ali. Good morning. We are very glad to introduce FFG Fairfriend Group for you. Fairfriend is a worldwide global manufacturers for aerospace and for automotive and for the energy. And there are 37 brands and 50 production base in the world. We offer a very wide range of industry. And also for the products, we produce a milling machine, turning machine, 5X, grinding, and also automation systems.
Great. And you've acquired many different machine tool brands. What exhibitions are really the highlight today?
Okay, today we set up the highlight is the sustainability, is digital. And also we offer lots of the smart manufacture and a green machine solution for you. Please follow my step.
Absolutely.
Thank you. So this is the FFG booth, and you can see our slogan this time is sustainability is digital. So we offer many solutions and also advanced technology to show you what we do. And also for the smart manufacturers and the digital service. So we cover all of the production processing, including from the schedule of the startup and also for line switch and also for the first article inspection and the mass production, including for the loading and unloading and also for the continued processing and the complete changing line until the shutdown. Every of the processing is be digital recognized. And also we offer for of the many ways and also for the interface through the IoT and also for the big data and also for the digital analysis. You can see this is what we do for the screen. And this one is we monitor all of the production process and also for the energy consumptions. And also we can do the service digital reminding and the check for tool life and also predict for the spindle life. And another, this is for of the rankings of the service and also for the intelligent maintenance. This is also we can offer customer active service value. And also for the suspension systems, we do the environmental friendly solution. We also for the LED light to reminding of the process. The operator can know what will be the finish and also for the start time. So last, we prepare all of the interface, and this one is our solutions for our green machine and also for the smart manufacturers. This one we show this in a fifth machine. We separate this by healthy monitoring and also for equipment maintenance and management. And this is with 5 function. For this one we show you. This is for the monitoring real time of the machine operations. And this is, we can check in all the real time and easily through the lights indicated, we can know the condition of this machine. And next, we can check all of the message for the, we call this healthy monitoring. If the operator don't need to check each of the items, and we already highlight for the spindles and also for the additional device, including for the air, for the coolant, and also for the chip and also for the electrical, for of the maintenance. So this is a visualized system for the operators, very easy to understand. And next, we also do the tool life predictions. So the most important thing is we don't want to see any of the predicted shutdown. And we can, through the monitor for the AOIs and also for the big data system, we can analyze and make a prediction what will be the tool life. And the operator can, in advance, to change of the tool in case of the make the bad parts. And next, this one is for the alarm message and for the records. So it become be readable, and every of the operator and the management, they can know the condition of this machine and check what time will be the alarm message show up.
Okay, well, I think that's all the time we have, but thank you for walking us through that. It seems like a lot of that is really helpful for the predictive capabilities to help keep machine tools running. Thank you for introducing us to that. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, next up we're going to AXILE. Okay, looks like we're going to talk about the G9 from AXILE. The G9 is a 5-axis machine tool, vertical machine center, designed for use in the aerospace industry. It's got a 1 meter diameter machining bed that can hold 27 kilograms of mass. It's also got a 1600 RPM spindle. It's very much ideal for aerospace machining. Okay. Then hi, nice to meet you. Yeah, this is Dr. Paul Chang, General Manager for AXILE. Could you please tell us a bit about your company?
Yes, Buffalo Machinery is especially for digital intelligent automation machine production. And this means all line of 5-axis machines. And with this kind of machine is really reach the requirement of Industry 4.0, which means that you will be able to predict the reliability of the lifetime, and then you will be able to do much better the job planning as well as your strategy. Then with such kind of machine, we'll be able to even that to monitor what kind of energy reduce you will gain, and as well as how much of the carbon tax you can reduce. So a lot of benefit to meet the future requirement.
Excellent. And how does AXILE use digital monitoring to ensure its machines operate at top level?
Well, we monitor all kind of area. For example, we monitor the wearing area. We monitor the liquid, all the liquid system, and we monitor all the CNC signals. So altogether, we will be able to tell the client that anytime that the machine condition, you will know exactly. So, for example, overnight shift. Nobody is going to run the machines, and then you will be able to control from home to see if the machine is still working for you, making money for you.
That's great. Lights out machining is a big topic in the United States. And how do you help customers achieve energy efficiency using that machine monitoring?
Yes, like I mentioned, that we monitor the consumption of the energy you are taking, and then it will be able to tell the client then it is under economy situation, or you have to modify in some degree, for example, the program, and then you can save the energy.
Great. And could you tell us about this machine tool behind you?
Yes, this is a G6 machine that give you the working capacity 600 by 500 cube. And then we have multiple selection. You have 10 working station, 16 station, and then 20 station. Yeah.
And this is a full 5-axis capable machine?
This is purely 5-axis machine. So any working piece up to the table, you can finish the job.
Very nice. Thank you for speaking to us. Really appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you for your visit.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Next up, we're looking at Victor Taichung Machinery. I believe that's over this way. Yeah. Okay. Look over. Right here. Hi, Dr. Wayne.
Yes, yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
I'm
meet you.
Eli.
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Could you please introduce us to your company?
Yeah, Victor Taichung is the one of the leading company in Taiwan. We are manufacturing CNC lathes and machining centers mostly. And this time we show the even multitasking machine to our customers. Yeah.
Could you introduce us to your company's approach to smart manufacturing?
Yes, mostly we manufacture more like a machining centers, 5-axis machining centers, and we also have our own casting. So the machine from the body to the machine itself to the assembly, and also the key component made by our factory. Yeah, and also we have CNC lathes and plus injection molding machine too. But mostly we are built for machine tools.
Excellent. And what's your company's approach to digital twins, and how does that impact the user?
The digital prints is very popular now in the world. And for this time, I think we try to show 3 items to the customer for this show and for the global trend in the future. So the first one is, of course, the app. That's a very simple application. All the salespeople or our dealer, they can get the information immediately. They all information like the PDF, like the videos, like the feature of the machine and how it's used in the cutting. That will be made in the video, in the WhatsApp, in the so-called app in the pad. Yeah. So our dealer and our salespeople, everyone can use the pad to introduce our product to customers. And once the customer purchases the machine, and this kind of system will be linked to our ERP. So the immediate customer knows the delivery time, or they know when the machine can be completed according to our stock situation. This is linked to the ERP. Okay, that's the first items. And the second item is we try to put more machine, more component on the machine to be more green, to be save energies. So in the past, everybody is the concept to save the energy using the inverter or something to save the energy. But in this time, we have a data, we have a algorithm to pick up the data, the real percentage saved on the machine. So in a digital way, we show this item to the customer who are using our machines. And of course, the third one is the so-called new trend. The new trend is the digital twin. That's a new, very new technology. The digital twin, especially for in machining. In machining in the past, we have a CAD/CAM. We can generate the CAD/CAM system, the set of programs, and then you run the programs, but that's all digital. But it's not a real, because it's only the data. But now, according to the new software developed by the Funaco, by the Siemens, they have developed a very good new software. They can put their servo motors and their servo parameters from the controller into your machines, into the software. So in the software, they can already input the parameter from the machine. They can stimulate like the real cutting situation. So we have video here to show using this kind of technology, you don't have to waste your time. For instance, when you do the generate the program in CAD/CAM, then you have to forecast the tolerance. Okay, you have different tolerance. Of course, you have a different output until you find the surface on your part. Until you complete the machining. It may take you 5 hours or 7 hours, even 10 hours. Your part is very costly part, and once you complete your components, you find the part is not good. And then this costly part is waste. And tool is also very expensive too. So if these 2 items, after you complete your cutting, then you realize it's not so successful and you have a high loss. But using a digital twin, because it's made by the software company, but it's made by the controller builders. And then using the machine, then you can link together. So before you do the machining, you already know the result. But this kind of parameter, of course, must be set up in the factory first. So in the future, this becomes a trend that when we sell the machine to the customer, and the customer properly they purchase such kind of digital twin in machining from software from the control company, and then we have to get them the 3D drawing to them.
Okay. Well, thank you. We are out of time now, but thank you for introducing us. That's a real time and money saver for a lot of manufacturers.
Yes.
I really appreciate it. Thank you. Nice meeting you. Well, as you can see, digital manufacturing is all over the place here in Taipei. Every Taiwanese manufacturer is highlighting its digital tool sets because, like every manufacturer they know, digital technology is at the forefront of manufacturing technology. That's where the future is, and it's here. Thank you very much.